Hi again, this is Mark Garretson. I'm here again to review a book, and this time it's book 2 of the Tipperary Trilogy, W.A. Patterson's Safe Home, an Irish Story. And now he's got it on the bottom of the book, book 2 of the Tipperary Trilogy. In this book, you'll find that Bill delves deeper into the relationship between the law of the land, the penal laws, and the citizens and the community of OLaughlin in Tipperary. I think that one of the problems that Bill must have run into was making sure that whatever he said in this book was believable. In our day and age, it's difficult for us to believe that you weren't allowed to enjoy your own religion. You weren't allowed to practice. You weren't allowed to own anything of value, and many other statutes that are part of the penal laws. The most important thing was you were downtrodden, and survival was the biggest challenge that everybody had, and they had it every day of their lives. It never went away. So when one of your children, Michael, for example, takes on a job that is contrary to those rules, he's at risk of losing his life, certainly his freedom, and is searched for throughout Munster, throughout the Republic. And Bill brings this to life in a very, very, very realistic, captivating way. I use that word too much, I know, but I have to tell you that it's part of the way I feel about this book. It tells me what my family might have struggled through during this time, and I'm sure many of you will feel the same way. Robert, on the other hand, is his son, Liam, and Rasheen's son, that I have to say would be hard for a mother to love. We'll leave it at that. However, with the historical accuracy and the detail that the author goes into, this is a wonderful story. It takes us all to the next level where I guess we would be even more thirsty for a drink of book 3 after reading this book. And I don't know anybody that would argue that point so far. So, good luck on this book. I hope you enjoy it. Once again, it's Safe Home by W.A. Patterson. And I got the Tipperary Trilogy part covered with my fingers. So, God bless you, and I hope you enjoy it.